Industrial coconut milk production begins with large-scale handling of dry coconuts.
Facility scale reflects high-volume coconut processing capacity.
Raw coconut volume defines production output.
Coconut maturity determines milk yield.
Continuous feeding replaces manual handling.
Surface cleaning prepares coconuts for processing.
Shell separation exposes coconut meat rapidly.
Material flow sustains production rhythm.
Final washing removes residual particles. Uniform rinsing stabilizes hygiene. Particle reduction improves extraction efficiency. Uniform shred size stabilizes pressing. Grinding releases coconut fat and liquid. Mechanical pressure extracts coconut milk. Extraction defines product volume.
Bulk collection buffers continuous flow.
Level control prevents overflow. Filtration refines texture.
Clean separation improves mouthfeel.
Standardization stabilizes product quality. Uniform blending prevents separation. Heat treatment ensures microbial safety. Thermal control preserves flavor. Homogenization stabilizes emulsion. Emulsion stability defines shelf life. Close transfer protects hygiene. Flow consistency supports filling accuracy.
Container hygiene precedes filling.
Clean containers prevent contamination.
Controlled pipeline transfer preserves the rich white color and purity of industrial coconut milk. Precision filling ensures uniform texture and visual consistency inside every coconut milk can. Hermetic sealing protects coconut milk quality and extends shelf stability at industrial scale.
Attractive packaging design enhances product identity and highlights the creamy white coconut milk inside.
Automated robotic packing ensures accuracy, speed, and visual uniformity for bulk coconut milk distribution.
Accuracy prevents shipment errors. Automation secures load stability.
Stack geometry protects transport.
Wrapping stabilizes pallets.
Internal logistics sustain flow.
storage conditions protect product quality.
Finished volume reflects industrial scale.
Environmental control continues post-production.
Oversight integrates all processing stages.
Data guides optimization. Preventive care protects uptime.
Component integrity affects safety.
Coordination defines industrial coconut processing.
Internal consistency defines quality.
Transformation defines manufacturing value. Visual consistency signals control.
Coconut milk production never pauses.
Human oversight sustains endurance. Finished goods move immediately.
Documentation ensures traceability.
Distribution begins at scale. Transport protection preserves product integrity. Coconut milk enters supply chains. Visibility follows each pallet.
Scale dominates perception.
Product versatility defines value.
Packaging integrity remains visible. Process continuity defines efficiency.
Coconut processing reaches industrial scale.
Motion becomes discipline. Inside the coconut milk factory, where dry coconuts become canned coconut milk at scale.